Alright. Yo, what's up? It's me and Greg.
What up?
And it's fucking cold as fuck, yo. We got Pizza Hut. And it's just fucking crazy, yo. Look at this. It's just fucking crazy, man. Greg's wearing garbage bags on his feet and shit. And we just keep going, man. We're soldiers. And this is two New York kids getting fucking pizza, son.
Fucking pizza.
Fucking pizza. You guys can't fucking deliver. Yo, we're writing you guys a letter, yo. The fuck? You're supposed to be like the #1 pizza in the fucking like around here and shit. Yo, fuck you guys, yo. We're fucking with Papa John's now. Alright, but seriously, yo, we're called fuck you guys.